Hello and welcome back to our finance-focused channel. If you're joining us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with our weekly insights designed to help you navigate the world of finance. Are you ready to tap into your brain's hidden potential? In this video, we're uncovering the surprising science behind smart decision-making and sharing powerful strategies to help you make better choices effortlessly. We'll reveal how to unleash your brain power to navigate life's decisions like a pro. Stay tuned until the end for 2 incredible bonuses, 7 key takeaways, and 10 practical tips that will transform the way you make decisions. Let's unlock the full power of your mind together. Have you ever wondered why making decisions can be so exhausting, especially when they're high stakes? Let me tell you a story that will make you think twice about how and when you make decisions. It's a story from a 2011 study involving judges and parole cases that holds a key insight into our mental fatigue. Researchers followed a group of judges deciding on parole cases. Logically, we expect that the severity of the crime, the existing sentence, and the imprisoned individual's behavior would be the main factors influencing the judge's decisions. And they were, but only to a certain extent. Time of day, however, had a surprisingly large impact on whether a person got parole or not. In the morning, people were much more likely to receive parole than those reviewed in the afternoon, even if their crimes and sentences were similar. The reason? Decision fatigue. The judges were simply exhausted by the afternoon, which impacted their ability to make confident and fair decisions. Decision fatigue happens after prolonged decision-making and leads to impulsiveness and uncertainty. It's not just a problem for judges, but for all of us in our everyday lives. Our bodies, whether physically or mentally, use energy, but it's not clear what resources we deplete during mental strain. Studies suggest a daily threshold for making decisions. After this threshold, people tend to avoid making tough decisions. It's the frequency, complexity, and novelty of choices that can quickly deplete our mental energy. Consider choosing what to eat for breakfast, a simple decision you make daily. But find root cause for a quart de mange. That's a tricky one. It requires hours of thoughtful research to weigh the pros and cons. Once you exhaust yourself with such a decision, you're less capable of making other important choices. For people like judges and doctors, who often need to make high-stakes decisions daily, decision fatigue can be dangerous. Studies show that medical professionals are more prone to mistakes during extended shifts. So how can we protect ourselves from decision fatigue? One strategy is to make fewer daily decisions. Break down your to-do list across multiple days, or simplify daily routines to conserve mental energy. Ultimately, understanding decision fatigue helps us to be more mindful about our mental energy. It teaches us to prioritize decisions, take breaks, and handle high-stakes choices when we're mentally refreshed. In a world full of decisions, being smart about how we make them can make all the difference. Here are some strategies on how to combat decision fatigue. Strategy 1, reduce daily decisions. Spread tasks over multiple days to lessen daily decision-making loads. Automate or eliminate routine decisions to conserve mental energy. Strategy 2, prioritize and plan. Tackle high-priority decisions when you are most alert, typically earlier in the day. Plan breaks between major decisions to allow for mental recovery. Strategy 3, institutional changes. For professionals in high-stakes environments, organizational changes, such as shift adjustments and task delegation, can help manage cognitive load. Conclusion, by understanding and managing decision fatigue, we can make smarter decisions more easily. Implementing these strategies in our daily lives and workplaces can lead to more effective and confident decision-making. Thank you for watching. Apply these tips to enhance your decision-making skills and navigate daily challenges with ease. Bonus 1. Here are 7 takeaways from this video. 1. Decision fatigue is real. Decision fatigue occurs after prolonged decision-making, leading to impulsiveness and uncertainty. It affects everyone, not just judges or professionals, and impacts daily decision-making. 2. Time of day matters. A study found that judges were more likely to grant parole in the morning than in the afternoon, despite similar case details. This discrepancy was attributed to decision fatigue, as mental energy declines later in the day. 3. Daily decision. Threshold. People have a daily threshold for making decisions. Once this threshold is reached, individuals tend to avoid difficult decisions. 4. Energy depletion. Both physical and mental activities consume energy, though it is unclear exactly what resources deplete during mental strain. High-stakes or complex decisions quickly deplete mental energy compared to routine decisions like choosing breakfast. 5. High-stakes professions are at risk. Professionals like judges and doctors who frequently make high-stakes decisions are particularly vulnerable to decision fatigue. Extended shifts in medicine increase the risk of critical mistakes due to fatigue. 6. Strategies to combat decision fatigue. Reduce daily decisions. Spread tasks across days, automate routine decisions, and simplify daily routines to conserve mental energy. Prioritize and plan. Make high-priority decisions when most alert, usually in the morning. Take breaks between significant decisions for mental recovery. Institutional changes. In high-stakes environments, organizational changes like adjusting shifts and delegating tasks can help manage cognitive load. 7. Smart decision-making. Understanding and managing decision fatigue can lead to more effective and confident decision-making. Implementing these strategies can enhance decision-making skills and make navigating daily challenges easier. Bonus 2. 10 practical tips and examples for Unleash Your Brain Power. The surprising science behind how to make smart decisions easily. 1. Limit daily decisions. Simplify your wardrobe to avoid decision-making fatigue over what to wear daily. Pick a few versatile outfits and rotate them, reducing the mental effort of choosing clothes. 2. Prioritize important decisions. Schedule key decisions like business strategy meetings or financial planning sessions for the morning when your mental energy is highest. Leave routine or administrative tasks for the afternoon. 3. Create decision routines. If you always struggle with what to eat for lunch, plan a weekly menu. It removes the daily decision of what's for lunch and frees up mental space for other decisions. 4. Take regular breaks. Incorporate short breaks between significant decisions. For instance, after working on a complex project, take a 10-minute walk to clear your mind before tackling the next task. 5. Delegate where possible. In a team setting, delegate routine tasks to trusted colleagues. This way, you conserve energy for higher stakes decisions that require your full attention. 6. Make use of checklists. For frequently repeated decisions, use a checklist. For instance, a checklist for booking business trips, flights, hotels, transportation, etc. Streamlines the process and prevents overlooking key details. 7. Automate routine tasks. Set up automatic bill payments to avoid the monthly hassle of deciding which bills to pay and when. This reduces the number of mundane decisions you have to make regularly. 8. Batch similar decisions. If you need to approve multiple documents, set aside a specific time block to go through them all at once. This avoids switching between different types of decisions, which can be draining. 9. Use time limits for decisions. When facing an overwhelming choice, set a timer to limit how long you spend making a decision. For instance, limit yourself to 15 minutes when deciding on a restaurant for dinner. 10. Plan for downtime. Schedule downtime after a series of major decisions. After a demanding day at work, unwind with an activity you enjoy to recharge for the next day's challenges. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can reduce decision fatigue, optimize your mental energy, and make smarter decisions more easily. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to continue delivering valuable content like this every week. Let's grow our financial knowledge together. Important disclaimer: Financial Independence Now is not a licensed financial advisor or brokerage entity. Our videos are designed to educate and inspire, offering general information to help you on your journey. They should not be taken as personalized financial advice.